In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete a playlist on YouTube. We're going to start with the phone, and then I'll show you how you can do it on the computer. So here's how you can do it. Once you've got the YouTube app opened, you want to go to Library, which will be in the bottom right hand corner. And then if you scroll down, you'll see all of your playlists. You can filter by recently added or A to Z. Now here I've got my playlists, and for the example, I'll delete this music one. So if we go ahead and click on music, we will then see the playlist and see every video that's inside of it. If you go to the top right hand corner, you'll see 3 dots. Just click on them, and then to delete the playlist on phone, just simply click on delete playlist. And then if you wanted to delete one on YouTube on the computer, you will go to your channel icon in the top right and then go to your channel. And there are many ways you can do this. This is the way I do it. Then go to playlists here, you'll see it next to videos, which will then load up all of your playlists, so you can see even your private ones will show. So here we've got the music playlist. Now you just want to click on view full playlist, and that will open this window here. And to delete a playlist, you want to go to the 3 dots here, then click delete playlist, and then you can just go ahead and click delete, and that playlist will be gone.